If you never stop gaming and are looking for an audio setup that will go from desk to console to mobile, we've got just the thing. The G333 is Logitech G's first ever in-ear headphone, and I'm very, very excited to unbox them for your viewing pleasure and my listening enjoyment. Essentially, the G333 is a lovely gaming-grade replacement for those sets of earbuds you get free with a new phone. If you're the kind of gamer who wants to move seamlessly between console, PC, and mobile, depending on where you find yourself, then the G333 is definitely for you. Genshin Impact on the train, Minecraft on the sofa, Fortnite at your desk? Yes, please. Okay, let's get into it. The G333 comes in 3 different colorways: black and blue, silver and lilac, purple and neon yellow. But there's also the special edition KDA version, which I highly recommend if you want to show off your devotion to Akali and the others. There's also a version just for Oculus Quest 2 users with custom-length asymmetrical cable and a 90-degree jack for a perfect fit with your VR headset. I have a feeling this color is going to be my favorite, so I'll start by unboxing that one. Okay, opens up really, really easily. I'm gonna flip it around so I can see it. And there they are, they look incredible. This silver looks amazing. Right, gonna get a bit further in. So just lift them off the top and it all comes nicely coiled up underneath. And let's have a look at the color. And there we go. And the other one. And there we go. In the box, of course, you get the earbuds and a couple of extra options for silicone tips to make sure you get a good fit, as well as a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter and a neat little carrying case. So the first thing you notice about these is that there's just the right amount of weight to them. They'll take a beating, but they won't be falling out of your ears when you try and move around. Portability-wise, once you coil the cable, you can stow them in the little pouch, and they're going to be the kind of thing that you can take with you absolutely anywhere. Chuck them in your bag or even in your pocket, and you're going to be all set for gaming on the go. The buds themselves are machined from aluminium with a satin finish and a nice little G logo that's been laser engraved. Further down, you'll notice the cable has a nice matte finish and, more importantly, it's flat housing, so it'll be way less likely to tangle and it's going to be incredibly durable. Then you have the inline mic, which has 3 buttons for volume control and a stop-start, which, I don't know if you can see this through the lens, are all nicely textured so you can find your way without even having to look. The total cord length is 1.2 meters, which means there should be plenty of slack for jacking into the headphone input on your PC monitor. At the bottom, the 3.5mm jack is a straight in rather than 90-degree type, which is nice if you'll be plugging into something in your pocket. Right, so time to give them a listen. I'm going to go with the default silicone tips because I know from looking at the KDA version a while back that they're the best fit for me. Coincidentally, I have some K-pop queued up on my phone, so here goes. Yeah, so they sound great, as you'd expect. The dual drivers are a big deal. If you're not familiar with the term, basically it means the trebles and mids are handled by one driver, which is like a tiny speaker, while the bass comes from another. That way you can get much clearer, more spacious audio over a wide range of frequencies without any distortion. So that's the G333, which is available from now. If there's anything you'd like to know about them or any of our other great products, then please let us know in the comments.